Some mornings you do not need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Azimut Atlantis 51, built in Italy in the Atlantis series. This one is sized for a day trip and easy enough to run that the day trip actually happens more often than you plan for. No crew required, no complicated routine. Just you, the dock lines, and open water. Plenty of power to get out before the afternoon wind builds. Twin engines, a deep V hull built to run confidently through a chop. You are past the marina and into open water before most people finish their coffee, and the ride stays smooth the whole way out. Foredeck opens wide, cushions out, sun overhead, water on 3 sides. It is the spot everyone claims first, and nobody wants to give up. Quiet coves worth the extra 10 minutes to reach. Water that goes from blue to green the closer you get to shore. Drop anchor somewhere with no name on the chart. Swim off the back when the heat sets in. 3 cabins mean the day does not have to end when the sun does, and nobody has to rush back for a bed. This is a boat built for the whole loop, not just the marina photo, and not just the first hour out. Golden hour on the foredeck, engines off, nowhere else you need to be. 3 cabins below mean this can turn into an overnight without a second thought. 2 more guests than most boats this size can host comfortably. This is not a boat you look at on a Saturday. It is a boat you are already on by 8 in the morning, still out there when the sky changes color, in no hurry to head back in. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.